Is being an electrician in Ethiopia well paid? The average salary of an electrician in Ethiopia is $1,950 a year. That average annual gross salary drops to $1,600 after tax, which leaves you with roughly $133 every month. While that is the nation as a whole, working in a major hub brings home a bit more. For example, the same electrician income in Addis Ababa reaches $1,890 after tax, so people often move there even though life costs noticeably more in the capital. Early in your career, electrician wages start well below this level, but they go up quickly as you gain experience. Once you hit a plateau, a university degree helps you move into higher paying positions like electrical engineer or site manager. On top of that, international employers usually offer the best electrician pay compared to small local firms. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Ethiopia over time, it really depends on where you work and who hires you.